Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Forte headlight. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and your new H7 headlight bulb. Make sure your Kia Forte is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down. Then, open the hood to access the headlight assembly, which is located at the front of the vehicle. Now, let's get to the bulb. Find the back of the headlight assembly in the engine bay. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the release tab on the connector and pull it straight off. Next, carefully remove the round rubber dust cover. This will expose the base of the headlight bulb. With the dust cover off, you'll see a metal retaining spring holding the bulb. Unclip this spring and then carefully pull the old headlight bulb straight out. Remember, avoid touching the glass of your new bulb with bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Now, insert the new bulb, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reattach the metal retaining spring to hold the new bulb securely in place. Carefully put the rubber dust cover back on, ensuring it forms a tight seal to protect the bulb. Reconnect the electrical connector, close your hood, and then turn on your Kia Forte to test the new headlight. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.